Hi, so I went to Bunny's Cafe and I got a few squishies. And basically, first off, I got this bag they gave to me for free because that's what they had on their Instagram. That was the deal they were having. So, yeah. Then they also gave me this charm with the bag. And it's a really cute bunny charm. Their logo is bunny. And now I'm moving on to the actual squishy items. So starting off, I got this ghost marshmallow and it is glow in the dark. I did try it out. I will also possibly be showing you guys the glow in the dark paint in the video. So here it is. It's a really cute marshmallow. And I got the gray version. Let's just give it a squish. It has quite a bit of air as well, but not as much as the original marshmallow does. So yeah. Then I got this original marshmallow, and it was the last one. There's also a boy marshmallow, but those are the last two. So comes with this cute little ball chain, and yeah. Packaging is really cute. I don't really want to cover the packaging to get rid of the air because I would just prefer it like this, so yeah. And then I got this pineapple yummy bear, and I cannot explain to you guys how much I love this squishy. It's just super cute, and it's probably going to be one of my favorite squishies. And the packaging is just really cute. And the squishy itself, if you squish it, it smells like the candy type of pineapple, but it has a really strong pineapple scent to it. And it comes with a cute little acrylic tag. And this is actually my very first yummy bear squishy. And it's super soft and really slow rising. Yeah. And then finally I got this jumbo crimson melon bun, and they only had this color there, so I just got this color. And it's really big, as you can tell. Like, it's bigger than my hand. And like my thumbs can't really even touch the middle of the squishy. But yeah, it's just really cute. And it actually has a slight scent to it. So the packaging is also really cute. And then just give it a squish. This is definitely probably my biggest squishy. And I just love this squishy. I actually went to Quiet Candy or Bunny's Cafe for this squishy. So I can't stop squishing this guy. And then also, since I didn't make a video on this yet, I got a new Squish Delish. My dad got it for me. So basically it's the same packaging. It's just kind of really cute. And the squishy I got was this cotton candy, I believe that's what it is. And it's just really adorable and also really soft and squishy. Or maybe it's not super soft, but it is definitely soft and it's really squishy, so yeah. By the way, I'm sorry if you can hear some of the background noise. The heater is on in my room, so yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please do subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!